Technology.
Hello.
So may no mga asenso no. Pagkasugod na ang pagbibigati no sa bagong building.
Ilagat sila batasan ko pagset. Wala tayo mag-live.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and valued members of our community. We gathered here today to witness an important moment in the history of Marine, the blessing and turnover ceremony of our newly constructed municipal fire station. This facility will not serve as a sanctuary for brave men and women in uniform, but also as a beacon of safety and security for our. We are privileged to have with us today key figures who have made this moment. Together, we're about to mark a milestone in the development of Marine's emergency responses. And so, without further ado, let us proceed with the ribbon cutting ceremony to formally open this facility. May it stand as a testament to our collective effort and the unyielding spirit of progress for the betterment of Marine. And I invite the following dignitaries to join us for the ribbon cutting. And now let's count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, congratulations! And then we're now officially opening the newly constructed municipal fire station. Of course, thank you to our distinguished dignitaries for leading us in this momentous occasion with the ribbon officially cut. And now let's proceed to the blessing of our newly constructed Marine Municipal Fire Station to be facilitated by Reverend Father Walter Patian.
atong ibutang atong presensya sa Ginoo. Sa ngalan samahan sa anak ug sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ang atong hinabang gikan sa Ginoo na nagbuhat sa langit ug sa yuta. Si Tomas mingon kaniya, Ginoo, wala kami maibalo kung asa ka paingon busaon-saon manamo pagkatultol sa dalan. Si Jesus pitubang, ako ang dalan, ang kamatuoran ug ang kinabuhi. Walay makaadto sa amahan kundili moagi kanako. Atong unahon pag-blessing ang fire truck dahil musunod kining building. Dinhin na lang ang prayer, dito ra ang blessing unya. Magampo kita. Dios nga makagagahom sa tanan, magbubuhat sa langit ug sa yuta, sa imong dili matukid nga kinaatman. Ihatagan mo kami gahom sa pagbugna o mga lindot o mga maayong utang na namuyog kami. Kakatong mugamit ining fire truck, mubiyahe unta, maluwas sa tanang nautan, uban sa pag-amping sa kaluwasan sa uban. Itugod na silang pagbiyahe, kanunay nila makauban si Kristo mabuhi ug hari uban kanimo hangtod sa kahangturan. Amen. Pero natungin mo ng prayer, ining ato ang bago ng fire station building. Magampo kita. O Diyos, sa imong maalamon nga pag-amuma, ikaw malipayon nga nanalangin sa tanang mamumuo o sa mga buhat sa among makamot o una-una. Itugot nga ang tanan nga magtrabaho dinhi ning bagong buhatan o bagong fire station, pinaluyuhan sa imong gasa o giya o pag-aga, makabaton sa usong mga desisyon o pagpatuman niini uban sa kaangayan. Kini ang ipangayo, pinagi ni Kristo, among Ginoo. Amen. Samtang mag-blessing ang pari, nato alang itukon ang amahan namo o maghimaya pamaya ang tulmahuman ang blessing sa tibok.
Mga pong sa malamit, kailangan mo ng imong ngalan, umapagdala mo ang imong linarigan, matuman ang imong pagbuot, dito sa yuta ang imong sa langit. Ang kalano namo sa matagalaw, ihatag ka namo ang kalang nagawa. Sa luwa kami sa among mga sala, imo nagapasayo kami sa mga kasalanan namo. Upili mo kami itugyan sa panunay, pinulungan luwasan kami sa kautan. Amen. Maghimaya ka Maria, na puno ka sa grasya. Ang Ginoong Diyos sa naamin. Tulahan ikaw sa mga babae na tanan. Tulahan mo sa mga bunang sa iyong mga sa Jesus. Sa nila ang iyong salamat. Ang kalaman namin sa mga kailangan, ihatag na namin ikaw ng gawa. Ipasayuan kami sa mga kasalanan. Inuwan na napasayo kami sa mga kasalanan namin. Pagpili mo kami itugyan sa pangalan. Pinuluan sa kami sa kautan. Amen. Maghimaya ka Maria, na puno ka sa grasya. Ang Ginoong Diyos na naamin, ulahan ikaw sa mga pamamagitan, umalang mo sa kasinang sa kailangan sa Jesus. Santa Maria, Ina sa Diyos, ikaw ang mga sa kalulong sa oras sa aming pagkakalay. Ang mga nanawag ng kasabalangin, pagkailo ng itingalan, maputunaw ang mga pinalitan, magpunman ang pagbuhat din sa iyo sa Jesus na ang kalang na sa mga lahat ng kalamang pagkakalaw. Isaluan kami sa aming mga sala, hindi nagpasayo kami sa mga kasalanan. Ibigin mo kami itugyan sa pagkakalaw, hindi mo alawasan kami sa pagkakalaw. Paghimayan ng Maria, tulong ka sa grasya.
Derives.
Diyos na namin, kailangan ikaw sa mga pagkakalaw, nakakapag sa mga bunga sa kailangan sa Jesus. Sa pagkakalaw, Abang kami ng kasama, kaya sa oras sa aming kapatid. Ang mga naman na nasa mga tayo ang Ginoong Diyos ang nakakalimutan. Tulahan ikaw sa mga babae ng tanan, tulahan mo sa pagpunta sa kailangan sa Jesus. Santa Maria, inahan ka sa Diyos, igampo mo kami ng pasasala, kalungkot sa oras sa aming ikamatay. Amahan namin ang lakas sa pangalangin, pagdayo ng pangalan, umaputunaw ng nangyayarihan, matuman ng iyong pagpulong, dinisalita ang iyong salamat. Ang kalaman namin sa matagalaw, ang natagalaw sa mga maglaw, Pasayuha kami sa aming mga sala. Magpapasahin kami sa mga sala. Hindi mo kami bigyan sa pangalay. Pinanawa, iwasan kami sa kapitan. Amen.
Okay, atong tapuson ito ang himo na pagkasing. Ang inyong tuba sa matag pagangko. Amen. Kinautunta ng kalinaw ni Kristo maglalit sa mga kasing ug ang iyang paandianon na pulong pagpabilin uban kanato aron bisag unsay atong trabahoon diya sa pulong ug sa tuwa atong Hinuon sa ngalan ni Kristo atong Ginoo. Ang Ginoo manaa kaninyo. Ug manalangin kaninyo makagagahom na Dios ang Amahan, ang Anak ug ang Espiritu Santo. Amen. Natapos na ito ang kasahulugan, hinaut kanunay, magharing si Kristo, tumbakong Diyon sa Karina. Pagpapakan nito, congratulations.
We requesting everyone to please take their seats as we proceed to our next part of our program. So again, thank you so much to our distinguished dignitaries for leading us in this momentous occasion with the ribbon officially cut and then with the blessing of the fire station. We now stand in front of a new chapter for the Clarin community, one that represents not only progress, but a renewed commitment to safety and services. Okay, so my request our dignitaries to please be here in front. Our very own provincial governor, Honorable Attorney Henry Sevilla Waminao, together with our provincial fire marshal, fire senior superintendent Gregorio S. El Bambo, together with our regional director of Bureau of Fire Protection 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, to please be here in front to our presidential table. And of course, to our guests, visitors, to our leaders who are here today, you may now take your seats.
We are so blessed today to officially inaugurate this monumental structure. Let us now proceed with the invocation, which will be led by Fire Officer 1, Rainiel B. Saludes, to guide us with a prayer for the success of this project and the safety of those who will work here. And please remain standing as we continue to commemorate the important days through the singing of our national anthem, which will be performed by Iglesia Filipina Independiente Band.
Okay, may mga utos sa tanan, hangin ako tanan sa pagkataong sa atong matagos sa kahulingon sa presensya sa atong buhi nga Diyos, sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo. Among gamahan
Colleagues, it is my honor to introduce to you a leader in the field of fire protection and public safety. He is a man whose dedication and expertise in fire service have greatly contributed to the safety and preparedness of the entire province of Misamis Occidental. Under his leadership, our fire protection service have grown stronger and the safety of our communities have been greatly enhanced. It is with great pleasure that I now introduce to you the Provincial Director of the Bureau of Fire Protection, Misamis Occidental, as he will be sharing his opening remarks on this meaningful and historic event. Please join me in welcoming Fire Senior Superintendent Gregorio S. El Bambo.
I think before I proceed ma-acknowledge na I think ang holy presence ng bawat individual. I think the best for me to proceed directly to my message. Good morning, everyone! It is with great pride and gratitude that I welcome you all to this historic
turnover ceremony of our newly constructed Clarin Municipal Fire Station. This event stands as a testament to the hard work and partnership between the Bureau of Fire Protection and the local government. I would like to take this opportunity to commend the generosity of Honorable Glory Fedi Roa, who, as municipal mayor, donated the lot for this fire station on June 4, 2021. Her dedication to public service continues through her son, the current municipal mayor, Honorable Jojo Roa Jr., whose administration remains steadfast in enhancing the municipality's commitment to public safety. Following this generous donation, the Clarin Municipal Fire Station was officially activated on September 12, 2022. The groundbreaking ceremony on June 16, 2023 marked the beginning of construction. Thanks to the collaboration and unwavering commitment to multiple stakeholders, this vital facility was finally completed in December 2024. Today, as we witness the official turnover, we celebrate not merely the infrastructure, but also the improved protection and service it represents, which will greatly benefit the people of Clarin. I want to express my sincere gratitude to the local government of the municipality of Clarin for its steadfast commitment to fire safety and its continued support of the fire station and its personnel. Your dedication is truly admirable. I would also extend my deepest appreciation to our beloved governor, our very supportive, very hardworking governor, Attorney Henry S. Wamena, for his unwavering support of the BFP. His leadership and commitment to public safety has been instrumental in making this project a reality. Let us continue working together toward a safer and more resilient Misamis Occidental. Before I end, with pride and dignity, it's my first time to say, katatapos lang namin sa Tudela, first ever sa history sa Bureau of Fire Protection sa Philippines, within a single month, twice kami nag-inaugurate. Within a single day, twice kami nag-inaugurate. And in just a matter of a single hour interval. Palagpakan natin ang Miso. Asenso Miso. Kaya God bless each and everyone.
The ownership of this new fire station. May we now call on our distinguished guests to participate in this significant moment. So we begin with the contractor who will turn over the key to our regional director. And of course, the regional director will turn over the key to our governor. And the governor will turn over the key to our municipal mayor. And then our municipal mayor will turn over the key to our municipal fire marshal. Ladies and gentlemen, atong pakpakan ng symbolic gesture of turnover of the key. Okay. Okay, now official na gyud nga ang Clarin na gyud ang tag-iya sa maong fire station. Atong pakpakan, ladies and gents. Again, thank you to all dignitaries for this meaningful symbolic gesture. Now, as we continue with today's program, we are honored to hear from an esteemed leader who has been a driving force behind the progress of Misamis Occidental. He is a dedicated public servant whose vision and commitment have helped elevate the province in countless ways. Under his leadership, Misamis Occidental continues to thrive with initiatives that prioritize the safety, development, and the well-being of its citizens. As he delivers his message today, it is my great privilege to introduce to you the Provincial Governor of Misamis Occidental, whose support and dedication have been instrumental in the success of projects like the one we are celebrating today. Our leader who always ensure that Misamisnons will live progressively, peacefully, and happily. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause as we welcome the Provincial Governor of Misamis Occidental, Attorney Henry Sevilla Bominay.
Please be seated. Daghang salamat, Julius, sa imong maundanon na pagpaila. And with that, coupled with our 2 hours late, I'll do my best that from my routinary 3 hours speech, I'll make it only in at least 3 minutes. We are glad and happy for what we are celebrating today. We are inaugurating this fire station, which is the product of our collaborative efforts of the government, the national government, represented here by our regional director of the Bureau of Fire, who is close to me because I happen to be an adopted member of their class, the Pactobay Class 95 of the Philippine National Police Academy. Fire Chief Superintendent Romel Tradiv. With him are all his officials coming from the region, with Senior Superintendent Cabot, his Deputy Director for Administration, and of course, his Provincial Fire Marshal, that when he delivered his message, I was trying to recall kung may utang pa ba ako sa kanya. Bakit? Sobra ka-snappy. Buti kung snappy, minsan ang is ng snappy magiging sip-sip. Kaya tinatanong ko kung may utang pa ako. Anyway, our very dynamic, smart Provincial Fire Chief, Senior Superintendent El Bambo, Sir, sabi ko, bayad na ako sa utang ko, and the local government officials, the people of the municipality of Clarin, represented here by our handsome, and I would not say if he is still young and dynamic because his hair is really now in the white, coloring white. Our Mayor Jojo Roa, assisted by our Vice Mayor Ding Waminal de los Santos, and the local government employees here in my hometown of Clarin. We are glad also that our ambassador to him is here, who is officiating the blessing of our building. And of course, we have also our Provincial Director of the Philippine National Police, who have just recently secured our visitors, our close to 10,000 visitors in the recently concluded Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Meet. Colonel Romel Maglio of the Philippine National Police. This collaboration does not limit with us in the government service, but also in the private sector. We have here Mr. Brian C., our supported in the province of Misamis Occidental. As we inaugurate this adds a little bit a challenge because providing efficient services in fire safety does not only need this building, does not only require the competence of our fire marshals, but also the necessary equipment like the fire truck. I was a little bit amazed when I heard of the blessing of the fire truck, when the fire truck is already owned and that's owned by the province, loaned to you. So that probably si Father basin o gikonsensya ko niya nga bisingan ang angayan bisingan bako subot pasabot kay daan iginahanglan og bako kapag ang atong lungsod. While we were in Tudela, we were also discussing the same concern, and we will be making a follow-up with the Bureau of Fire Department to the Secretary of the local government who oversee the Bureau of Fire Department for an immediate procurement of 2 fire trucks here in our province for the municipalities of Tudela and Clarin. No? Because in the absence of that truck, I'm sure Mayor Jojo would violently disagree and would convince me and mahonsinsya nako nga kuhaan ba na natong fire truck ang atong lugar na natawhan. So that in the province also, I know that we are ipahulaman na to among fire truck. So we also plan and now in the procurement stage and probably in the next 2 months. Now, it is safe to say in the next 2 months we can procure, we are procuring and the delivery will be made in the next 2 months. 1 brand new fire truck which I will place here in our municipality. Bayad ako, Senior Superintendent, Mayor Jojo, and to my beloved residents here in our beloved municipality of Clarin. As I said, dilin ako patasan o mayo kay kamo gigutom na ako nakamerenda o duha ka bunbun dito sa Clarin. I just like to emphasize this, that our collaboration, we have to strengthen and to continue in order to achieve our desire na ma-asinso ang atong lungsod. Just recently, we are all aware as Misamis, we achieved a record in the history of Nebra. For the first time, our one Asinso Miss Octi emerged as the overall champion of Nebra 2025. First time na champion ang atong probinsya. While it is true that when I assume as governor, my focus are health, education, agriculture, and tourism, I also give time for sports. So that last year, in the Northern Mindanao Meet in Cabigin, we already ranked number 5, coming from number 12 in the previous Northern Mindanao Meet. So that from number 5 now we are number 1, the overall. We have to give attention to the sports in our desire to support our young people. That's why Board Member Clara Villanueva, our provincial state president, I have given her the marching order to intensify youth development programs and activities such as sports, because there is an imminent danger now that the kind of peace and order situation that we are enjoying, brought about by that successful law enforcement in dismantling the drug organization way back 2017 in the city of Osamis and the whole province. Its success is in danger because while it is true, and this is affirmed by Colonel Maglio, na ang presyo sa Siabo diri sa atong probinsya mahal ikumparar sa atong mga silingang probinsya. Bot pasabot mahal kay on guard ang atong mga kapulisan o kitang mga katawan including the local leadership. Sa atong kasilingang probinsya, makita na nimo kanto-kanto na naghit-hit partition. So mo ng barato dito, mahal pa dito. Bisan pa niya na on guard ang atong kapulisan, medyo nagka-grabe ang pagsulod sa supply. While before, ang madakpan sa atong kapulisan, 0.05 grams, lately, nanay 2 grams, and just the other day, nanay 10 grams. So, iyon, ana, ang challenges na ito karon sa peace and order, sa proliferation of illegal drugs, kaya this will prove to the disturbance of our peace and order. Medyo nibalik na sa gamay ang kawat-kawat. No. So, we have to continue to be vigilant. Suportahan natong kapulisan. We continue to report. And next week, I will be having an executive session with our police as we will be giving rewards to them of that successful bypass operations. We will make an assessment kung kulang ang atong kapulisan sa pagpanakop tungod sa kadaghan na. So, we might probably study and resort to citizens' arrest if needed. No? So, that is our challenge. It might be a great challenge, but as your leader, I am very confident na kaya nato ni malakasan gyapon ang pagsulay tungod sa atong panaghiusa, tungod sa atong panagtigugmay, brought about sa atong panagtinabangay sama karon sa produkto na atong matagamtam nining atong ginaburahan nga fire station. With that, Mayor Jojo, bayad na ko sa late na ko, bayad na ko sa akong paniotto. Congratulations for this accomplishment and to the people of Claren. We continue to work together. The greatness of Claren still lies ahead, and working together, someday we can achieve that this municipality, this province can be a great province, not only in Mindanao but throughout the country. Daghang salamat.
also the PCG station commander, PO1 DG Bation. And of course, the Provincial Director of PNP, Police Colonel Romel Maglia, may tokayo. Maglio pala. And my Colonel Tapon. We have also the Provincial Fire Marshal of Bukidnon, Colonel Tonel, and the Provincial Director of the Occidental, Colonel Gribel Bambo. Also to all the personnel of the Bureau of Protection, Occidental, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Earlier today, we have witnessed the turnover of fire station at Tudela, and as mentioned earlier, I am deeply grateful to the dynamic relationship between the local government unit here, especially the municipality of Clarin and the national government agency to the Bureau of Fire Protection. The 500 meter square lot graciously provided by the LGU, headed by the municipal mayor and the Sangguniang Bayan, with full support, full effort of the second district representative, Honorable Sancho Waminal, and Honorable Governor Attorney Henry Waminal. With may pakapit pa na fire ladder. It's not only an ordinary fire truck, but it is a fire ladder that can reach up to 5 stories. So I think this is the first municipality or the first LGU in Misamis Occidental that will have that kind of equipment. That is for high-rise building. So napaka-importante din po sa akong classmate. So not only that paved the way for the construction of a 6.7 million typical fire station and subsequent acquisition of a 1,000-gallon fire truck. Murang dili na tayong pabawin sa taga-Clarin kaya ibutangan naman yung Clarin ang ipaulam ng fire truck. But of course, our good governor will find ways para makausap niya sa secretary because na ay mga fire truck karoon na ako, mga bagong purchase, and it is the secretary that will facilitate for the distribution of the fire trucks. And of course, with our dynamic and very active governor, maaaring makakuha o isa po din fire truck. So the vision of ensuring a fire-safe nation will never be realized without the shared responsibility and commitment of our partners from the LGU, and for that, we are grateful to the transformative leaders of Misamis Occidental for the support provided to the BFP. More than just a physical building, the fire station in front of us is an expression of teamwork, knowledge, and commitment of everyone involved. It is the cornerstone of a strong community to the men and women of BFP Misamis Occidental, especially to Clarin Fire Station personnel. This is a milestone for the municipality with the additional equipment provided by the local, for the provincial government na wala sa tibok Misamis Occidental. Ang naalay ladder ay ang Cagayan de Oro. So kamoy ikaduhang lugar once na ma-deliver na itong ladder ay kamo ang ikaduhang lugar sa tibok Region 10 na namin nagamit. So this is a milestone for the municipality, and let us remain faithful to our profession, hold fast to our mission and vision of ensuring a fire-safe nation because of this support from the local government. We are very grateful that we have very supportive local government here in Misamis Occidental. With the newly constructed typical fire station and acquisition of fire trucks, the people of Clarin can be assured that the Bureau of Fire Protection is being responsive to the call of times and the needs of the people. Again, we are steadfast in our resolve to continue to collaborate and to commit to a fire-safe community. With the newly constructed fire station and the acquisition of the fire truck, the people of Clarin can be assured that the Bureau of Fire Protection is not only responsive to the current needs of our communities but also prepared for the challenges of the future. So, with the arrival of this new equipment, pwede nang magpatayo ng mga high-rise buildings sa Clarin. And for sure, by next year, we will bring the whole country to Misamis Occidental because we won't be bidding for the hosting of the National Fire Olympics, which will be held in Oroquita City, and of course, the billeting area is in Clarin. So the whole Philippines will be coming over. The 17 regions and your regions of the BFP will be coming over to Misamis Occidental this coming March. So, the BFP's dedication to modernization or modernizing its facilities and expanding its capacity to respond to emergency such as the rescue service and emergency medical services again, and assistance na ating puting governor and congressman to acquire such equipment is really necessary because my program also within Region 10 is to organize and to establish special rescue force in every province. The special rescue force is in charge of technical rescue, hazardous materials, incident response, and even CBRN, or the counter-terrorism response on chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear incident response. So we will be establishing such team here in Misamis Occidental. So, this is a clear sign of our commitment to building a safer and more resilient nation. Para sa tanan, daghang salamat, padayon, misamisnon sa pag-asenso. Thank you, sir.
O kabalo, ang tibok na rin sa ato ang sister NGO nga mao ang Osami City nga gipanguluhan sa ato halantong mayor, incoming congressman sa Asenso Pinoy, Honorable Mayor Henry Indy Waminal Jr. O sa ato ang Vice Governor Wayne Gutierrez o sa mga kauban niya sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, and of course sa ato ang Sangguniang Bayan members nga panuluhan sa atong incoming Mayor Vice Mayor Risa Waminal de los Santos uban sa mga konseho in attendance nga naa diri karon. And of course sa ato ang mga head of office nga in person. And of course sa ato ang Regional Director of Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Sir Romel Trajo, atong Provincial Fire Marshal Chief Fire Service Superintendent Gregorio El Bambo Jr., o sa ato ang
Clarin Chief na si Sir Richie Udat. And of course, a Chief Volunteer Fire Brigade Usamis, respective personnel of Clarin, from akong amigo, si Sir Brand C. Sir. O sa ato ang Provincial Director from the PNP, Sir Romel Maglio, sir. And of course, ang ato ang Ambassador to Heaven, Father Walter Patian, Father. Si Sir Gabot, si Sir Ratonel, and of course, sa ato ang Clarin MPS Chief, si Major Alvin Tamayo, napababoy na rin tandihan. O sa tanan nga niya ron, social media, o sa tanan, o sa punako, pinanggang asinso ka na akong tanan. Una sa tanan, gusto na ko ipaabot ang akong dakong pasalamat sa atong mahal nga lideres sa probinsya. And the most hardworking governor, Attorney Henry Zebella Waminal, o sa atong Congressman, Sancho Fernando Ando Waminal. Sa ilang lay undang na suporta sa pagtabang sa atong minahal nga lungsod. Kung wala ang mga nailang litrato o dedikasyon, di nato kini makapot. Salamat sa inyong walay kakapoy sa pag-atiman sa mga nagpanginahanglan sa atong lungsod sa rin o masli sa tibuok Misamis Occidental. Ang atong kalampusan karon nagpakita sa pagtinabangay o pagpanag-uban sa mga lideris o katawhan. Kini usa ka dako nga timaan ka ang panaghiusa o panag-ambit sa responsibilidad nagahatod sa tinuod nga pag-asinso sa ato ang lungsod. For how many years through the Waminal administration, with the support of our hardworking leaders in the province, sa history sa atong lungsod sa Clarin, natukod na yun ang atong gipaabot nga municipal fire station, nga usa ka dakong lakang para sa kayuhan nga nagdala og serbisyo para sa mga Clarinon o proteksyon sa mga bumbero. Labi na sa panahon sa emergency. Indeed, this is a result of our shared commitment of Clarin. Mga kaisunan, padayon ta sa pagpaningkamot alang sa kayuhan sa tanan. Mag-ampo o paghimo sa mga lakang nga nagdala sa atong lungsod ngadto sa mas lig-on nga mas malinawon nga kaugmaon. Magtinabangay kita o magpadayon sa pagserbisyo alang sa kayuhan sa tanan. Before I end, kanang tunga nakadesign na siya o usa ka part para sa mga anak sa mga bumbero o anak sa mga PNP. So base, baka naman yan, no? Nga kanang tunga, nakadesign na siya part para sa mga bata nga muanhi sa mga anak sa atong mga bumbero o anak sa atong mga kapulisan. Sa kanunay ko, Misamis nun, magpuyong malinawon, malampoon, o malipayon. Daghang salamat kay sa Clarin Pinamigaga. May unto para po.